step by step of how to make very neat cornrows. Most of our students were in primary school or kindergarten and such. So you start by sectioning your hair. You can see how we have sectioned that. Yeah, very neat, very neat. Gives out quite a neat uh, hair cornrows. Then you can start. Okay, it's very simple. Just looking at how the fingers are moving. Yeah, very simple. And you'll get quite a nice outcome of some nice, neat cornrows. There are different ways of making cornrows. This is just by but one. This is an old style. There are new other styles of making cornrows. Yeah, you can decide either to make your cornrows very tiny or thin or huge or big, depending on exactly what you want. In our case, this is a student, and so she needed something that will take her for some time. Yeah, for at least it can take her for 2 weeks to 3 weeks, depending on how she wants them done, or rather how them to last. Yeah, and they are well done. Look at how beautiful they are. I'll give you a preview of what has been done. It's simple and easy. One can easily make it. You can learn and be making your kid from home. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That is a closer look of the cornrows. So you can imagine how they will look by the end of the entire head. It's just a demonstration of how you can do very neat cornrows. Very neat cornrows without any added braids, just the natural hair. So thank you for watching. Cheers. Bye.